Hey everyone, today we're diving into a fascinating intersection of literary criticism and environmental studies, Post-Colonial Eco-Criticism by Graham Huggan and Helen Tiffin. This book is a game changer for anyone interested in understanding how colonial histories and ecological issues are deeply intertwined. So, let's unpack some key insights from this essential text. First off, Huggan and Tiffin explore how colonial powers have exploited both people and the environment. They argue that colonialism isn't just a human issue, it's also an environmental one. The exploitation of natural resources often went hand in hand with the exploitation of indigenous peoples. Think about how entire ecosystems were transformed to benefit colonial economies. This perspective is crucial for understanding the environmental degradation in many post-colonial societies today. Next, let's talk about the concept of eco-imperialism. The authors highlight how contemporary environmental policies can sometimes replicate colonial dynamics. For example, conservation efforts may displace indigenous communities in the name of protecting nature. Huggan and Tiffin urge us to be critically aware of these neo-colonial tendencies in modern ecological movements. One of the most compelling parts of the book is their discussion on literature. They demonstrate how post-colonial writers use environmental themes to critique colonial histories. Authors like Chinua Achebe and Amitav Ghosh, for instance, weave ecological concerns into their narratives, showing the lasting impacts of colonialism on their landscapes and communities. This literary approach enriches our understanding of both post-colonial theory and eco-criticism. Huggan and Tiffin also delve into the idea of environmental justice. They argue that environmental degradation disproportionately affects marginalized communities, whether it's through pollution, deforestation, or climate change. The poorest and most vulnerable often bear the brunt of ecological harm. This book challenges us to consider these social inequalities in our environmental policies and practices. Finally, the authors call for a more inclusive, interdisciplinary approach to solving global ecological issues. They emphasize the importance of integrating indigenous knowledge systems and practices into mainstream environmental science. By doing so, we can create more sustainable and just solutions to the ecological crises we face today. In summary, Post-Colonial Eco-Criticism by Graham Huggan and Helen Tiffin offers a profound critique of how colonial histories continue to shape our ecological realities. It pushes us to think beyond traditional boundaries, urging us to consider the complex interplay between culture, politics, and the environment. That's it for today. If you found this summary insightful, please like and subscribe for more deep dives into groundbreaking academic works. Thanks for watching. See you next time.